Guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at dimension coin called DYM. We will be looking at its analysis and price prediction, as well as what is going on with its tokenomics and its network. So as you can see here, I think it is trying to break out from this point. As you can see, this downtrend it seems to have broken, but it did not broke because of low volume. So I think it will be trading around here as of now because of its high market cap. So as of now, I think if you're looking to enter, the best entry would be around below at this point, because if you enter at this point, because it has not broken out yet, I think it could go down, and it does not have that much price history to determine the good buying point. But I think this is a pretty good point around 5.2 to 4.8. It seems unlikely because the price is pretty high, but I think it will go quick in a quick wick, and you will be able to get this sniper entry. So if not, I think this level also seems good. So I think as of now, this is the low as it can go, around 4.5. So I think for 2 or 3 months after that, there is no guarantee what will happen, but I think as of now, that is the low it can hit. But if you are looking for a quick or aggressive trade, I would say you can enter around here and wait to see if it breaks out. If it does break out, I think you can exit as it goes up. But if I think it will try to come here and go up again. So around I would say this is around 6.7, which is not that far. That is a riskier entry. If not, you can enter around at this point as well, around 5.5. That is also pretty good. So as of now, it seems to be trying to break out and something like that. So but first we have to keep some other factor in mind. As of now, it has a market cap of around, as you can see, 1 billion, which is pretty high. And if we look here, it has the max supply. It does not have a max supply. That means it has an increasing supply, and as of now there are already 3.6 million dime token from the staking. So as you can see here, these 3.6 million tokens are beside the 1 billion token which it had initially. So that is a not good thing about this one. And as you can see, the burn rate is not that impressive, and it is very low burn rate. As you can see here, they have only burned around 215 times so far, which I don't think is good. And as you can see here, the staking APR does have go down, and I think the inflation will probably go down, but it does not seem look good. So if you are planning to hold this for a long term, I don't think that would be a good idea as of now, because as you can see, there is no growth on their network. It seems to have go down, and there are no users. As you can see here, the new addresses aren't there. And as for IBC transfers, as you can see, they have also gone to zero almost. They are not zero, but they have gone down. And if you look at their validators and other things, I don't think that their stats look good. So let's look at the initial 1 billion supply and what happens to it. So it had an initial supply of 1 billion, as you can see here, and it has a current circulating supply of 1.43 million or 1.46 million, as you can see here. And as you can see here, there the upcoming event after 300, after 1 year, there will be around 500k dime in the market every year. But after this, there is still much more time to this one. So if we look here at the tokenomics, as you can see, the community incentives and the incentive manager are decided by the governance. And the interesting thing which you have to wait for it is this one, the bakers. So the bakers will start getting their tokens in the Feb of 2027, which is pretty far, but once they get their tokens, I think they may start selling and the price will most likely go down. So it is still around after 1 year, so that means that the time seems to be good to hold for at least 1 year. It does have a high inflation, but I don't think that it will impact that much its supply in the first year. So as of now, I think it is a safer coin to hold compared to it in the coming year. So as you can see here, the only concerning thing is about their ecosystem and R&D grants. As you can see, the supply is increasing slowly, which could mean that as they fund more projects, those projects will be selling those DYM tokens in order to develop their ecosystem or something like that. But those once those products are developed, they will create a demand for DYM token in the long run. So that is, you have to keep that in mind. As of now, I think the core contributor, let's see which one is that core contributors. Yes, so as of now, the core contributors will also start getting their coins after 1 year. So core contributors and backers will get their coin on the same time. So you have to keep that in mind. So this was a quick price analysis of DYM. So let's look at the price prediction. Where could it go? So I think as of now, as its demand has gone down, I think at least it could hit around 2 billion market cap if it goes up and if there is a positive news. And even if we look at Gia Celestia, because both of them are connected somehow. So if we look at Celestia's market cap, which is around 2.8, so I think DYM could hit around 2.1 to 2.8. Oh, sorry, 1.15 to 2 billion. So if it hits 1.5 million or 1.5 billion market cap, the price will most likely be around I think 11 to $10. And if it hits 2 billion, I think the price will be around 14 million $14. So these are the two things which are possible as of now. I do not think that it could go up uh, above 2 billion market cap if there is not enough news or if there is not enough speculation. But if there is, it will probably go up. But as of now, it does not seems like it will. But I think if this breaks this trend line, I think it could go higher, at least to the $9 point. So thanks for watching. I will be back with more.